Hi, my name is Mike, and I'm doing my quick 1-minute video. So I wanted to tell you a little bit about the creative workshops that I run online for people. I do this for adolescents. They can come in and work with each other. Parents can work with their kids. Also, teachers can come together and create joint venture type of classes. So I used to be an acting teacher. I taught drama, and I also put some life coaching skills on top of my drama skills. So you use these improv skills in real life, because if you dedicate yourself to the role and commit to it, eventually you become the real thing. You become the story that you write for yourself. So when you join us, who knows what you'll create? You don't even have to know yet. We play and we find out what it is you want to create. So you might create your own class when it's all over. You might even create your own small business. You can create any experience you want. As a parent, we want things to be bigger and happier than we could ever imagine for our kids. You see, I'm working with my son right now. He's only 1 year old, and we're working on a project, and he's helping me with this video. I'm just not quite sure where he's at right now. I know, I'm a dad of a 1-year-old, so that's top shelf parenting right there. Where is he? It's not lunchtime yet, Micah.